Welcome to another video on my driving robot Discovery using the TXT controller from fischertechnik, which runs embedded Linux and is in my case programmed in online mode in Python. Also using a camera, touch sensors, as well as sonar, active sonar. Difference between active and passive sonar is that with active sonar you send ultrasound and receive it after reflection by objects, while passive sonar is just that you hear something, you just receive it. Then also a lamp, and I see I forgot to mount the motor, so let me just mount it and connect right here. And then using this wire, connecting it. Last time I modified the robot by adding the motor leg, a hind wheel. I considered to modify it, but decided not to do it yet. And right now I have only this to connect to the battery pack, so I can boot it. And like always, it will be curious to see if it goes well. It's a freshly charged battery. Booting the community firmware. And because the settings battery has well been used until below the retaining settings, I have to put them in each and every time. So let's see how this works out. Alright, now to the original user interface. It's a touch display. And settings, date and time, 2018, August. And it is the 6th of August. That is alright. Time, it's already evening. And it's 33 right now. Alright, so all is set. Now the question is, can I straight away connect to it? So using SSH terminal, and then enter. Oh, that goes quickly. There's no problem connecting as yet. Second terminal seems to go fine as well. Next thing, starting this code and removing all that remains from last time. which is done. So nothing between a good result, you would say. So let's put it in place a slightly larger distance than usual, and let's see whatever happens. And remember, because this is a little bit heavy, I had to put 2 of the supporting wheels back here. I had removed all 4 of them, but that turned out not to be working. So let's run, if possible. Algorithm works, so that's a plus. And now for some nice running. And let me see if it actually does run. I'm lifting it. Yeah, it did run. So I'm leaving it. But I didn't see the lamp. Very slightly running, and it's a 0 image and it stops. Ouch. Still don't know why the 0 image happens. Alright, so a 0 image again. How does the image look? There are 4 now by the and 46-1 is the first that I should not take. So let's go with 33. See, that's a nice one. Long distance, far away. Yeah. So another analysis of the picture. Everything should be black. Oh, that's a nice one. This should all be red. This should all be black. This should be red, and this should all be black. And what I notice is a large portion of white. So I'm very curious what will happen in time. So let's go again. Oh, by the way, what's the distance? Did I see some sonar ending or sonar result anyway? 38 centimeters right here, and the voltage of 9 volts. But first, 38, is that correct? Yeah, fairly correct, because here is the sonar. So it's safe to say that 38 is correct. That's good. Alright. Go. That is not good. Okay, I usually quit this, but well, it quit itself. Okay. And these errors make it not very nice, let's say that. It makes it lose time. Now it goes. I'm not going to support, it should run out of itself. But slippery surface, so should I use a cloth or not? And for that reason I also added that big wheel at the end. One big wheel to left to add, but I'm not quite sure where to add it. Do I add it at the side or wherever? And why doesn't it run? Well, one thing is that it takes incredible amount of time before it starts, before it has completed the entire camera section. So what I'm going to do is not letting this run. See, the whole gray area can go out. Alright, let's quit this. Let's edit. And what should be edited out? Well, gray should be edited out. Gray image should be edited out. Absolutely no use. So where are we? Gray image. No use. Go away. This is good. Then this one goes out. Time sleep 1 second. No, out. Gray out. This is, well, maybe it's of use. This one out. Out. Everything to do is gray out. Out, out. Alright, now everything has gone out with respect to gray. The only thing that has not gone is this size image. But that has to do with, well, with determining how large the picture is actually. Do I use it? Not really. Not anymore anyway. But let's keep it because I've already shortened the whole algorithm quite a bit. So, alright, it has done, it hasn't moved, so I am assuming that 18, 41, five, really? Oh, it hasn't been sent, wait. So 1840, 53. See, it is exactly the same one. It hasn't moved a bit. So this one is no use to keep. So these ones away for now, and let's run and see if the whole imaging is indeed shorter. Yeah, right, network action, and go again. and still nothing happens. So let's go further into the algorithm. Here you only have declaration, and here you go with while counter. And here I say motor ref stop. Set distance. Where do I see while counter? I don't. It doesn't do anything of that. So that means it doesn't run either. It just keeps sending the same pictures. And that isn't good. I really do need to change the algorithm in this spot. So stop running and revise algorithm. Right, well, let's face all this output. Where does it come from? Afstand camera action end. Well, that is most likely somewhere here. Yeah, most definitely here. Set distance after camera 1. Where? Oh, it says here battery 001,000, which is definitely this one. So it enters the loop. No doubt about that one. Counter. Well, that is this one. Counter pre 1. Counter 1 pre. This one. Alright. Set this set. No doubt. Camera action 1. Where is here? And then set distance. But it says empty. Empty is from the camera function. So it starts all over again. Now I ended it. Oh wait, here it goes again. Then it says afstand CA1. Alright, where is that? Oh, here. Yes. That's good. Then it goes to sonar 55. Where is sonar 55? Right here. Right here. So it goes a big end into. Oh no! This is pre. It doesn't. It hasn't entered this. This if statement yet. It is still in if contact. No, it is actually right after if contact. Because if I go down here, I am meeting this one. so it's not the contact one, it's right outside it, and it hasn't entered this one. So it says counter 0 and but remind, this is line 292. So where is counter 0 and 814? Or is there any other? No, it's the only one. Is it? Okay, yeah, it is the only one. So that is right at the end, which doesn't solve the question why it is not driving. Okay, let's go to 100 right here. Set distance. $1400 set. So why is it doing anything? What is needed to run? Set distance, set speed, set speed. So here I set the distance, but I don't do anything then, unless for some whatever reason I set the set speed to 125. Here I set the speed to 125, but not quite alright, because this is contact, so it has to turn. This is solar. I set the speed to 250. Set speed is 250. But does it run? If I see it run, is that 250? That is the big question. I actually should print here something like speed 250. But then once again I have, oops, I should keep off the camera. Then again, I'm not even sure in which function or in which condition I am right there. So this is pretty hard. I'm not in contact, and I'm not sure I am in if. So where am I? As far as I'm concerned, I'm nowhere. So how to solve this one? It also takes quite a bit of time before it sets off the propellers, which is actually this one. This is the propeller at the end. So this one is set here. So it already takes quite a bit of time before it does anything like that. And this has no use at all, because here I set the speed, and here I say stop. Why do I set speed when I say stop then? Weird. Right, next take. Alright, one short thing to finish. These are the only images that are counting, and unfortunately the rest doesn't matter. Well, I can check of course, but not really useful. Right, let's say 47 like this is useless. Then 46, 56, that is this one. And how is the result image? Oh, very curious. Oh, look, that is way better. This is the image that I expect, not this one. So, yeah, alright. But why doesn't it happen immediately? That's the question as well. Right, let's do one more try. See if it dares to run, considering this very strange algorithm. I have to completely revise it, I think. Oh, never mind. Network error. Yeah, no good. One last attempt. And hopefully it does something correctly. Camera connected anyway, yeah. Wow, propeller. Now like a drive. But I'm afraid that is not going to happen. Again, this part. Yeah, I need to change it. This says nothing. Absolutely nothing. Unfortunately. Alright, so it has shown that the algorithm needs a good rewrite. How and on which places I am not quite sure yet, but it certainly does. Also, the image algorithm isn't quite what I expect. Why does it start with flaws and end up with a very nice desirable image? And I just started the algorithm again and it came back with a 0 image, which isn't good either. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up, like it, leave a comment or suggestion, please, much appreciated. You can also follow me on Twitter, please retweet, like it, leave a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram, please like it, leave a comment. You can find my Instagram and Twitter IDs at the start of this video and on my website, which is listed in the description box. Also, please support me and support the videos by making a small donation, and you can also decide to become a patron and have your name mentioned either on my website or on my website, as well as with the videos, depending on the pledge you make. Thank you for watching. To be continued. Bye bye.